Okay guys, now this is part 2 of my Backdate RS 911 project, and here is the original wing that came on this car, a 1974 2.7 litre SC, and as you can see it's seen better days. It was so rusty around the headlamp bowl that I sprayed it with a little bit of undercoat because it was an embarrassment. Down here again, it's been patched poorly. They tried to repair it. It's got holes here around the fuel filler. The wing is a write-off. So what I did, because I wanted to do a backdate project, I bought this, which was the only long bonnet early 911 wing in the country that was available second hand. Here it is, and I bolted it on, and because it's an original Porsche wing, it fits pretty well. It's not quite closed there, but I think I can get that to fit. You can see here, along here, it's pretty good all the way around. Once I've tightened it up and moved it back a bit, done some adjustments, I think I'll get a good job there. Down here there's a few dents, it needs a bit of fettling, but overall that's not a bad job, yeah? So £110 for that, and that's one wing done. I then bought another wing. This really was the shoddiest piece of junk I've ever seen in my life, and it was off a long bonnet car, and I've cut off with a grinder the lowest 100mm where you fit the side light. It was such a piece of rubbish that I junked it, and what I've done is I've welded that section onto the bottom of my existing wing, because the existing wing on this side was pretty much fine. So I think you can see there that I cut it more or less straight across, and I welded in there that little section, and then the side light support round there. So, and because I've got the long bonnet on there, I can tell that when that's all mounted up with the light inside, hopefully that's going to be about right. Now, as my friend Dave said, what I should have done was waited until I had that new side light unit to go in there, and probably the RS front bumper to go under there as well. Then I could have dry fitted them all up there and made sure I was welding it in the right place. But I didn't think of that, did I? So I've welded it on. So I'm going to wait now and see when those other two parts arrive. I'm going to have to fit them up and see if I've done the right thing, because if I haven't, I'll have to cut all those welds off, take it off again and do it again. But that's not the end of the world. Anyway, so that is the sum total of what I've done to this current piece of junk. As I say, this is the cheapest 911 in the UK. I paid nearly nothing for it. It's a non-runner, hasn't been running for 8 or 10 years or so. I've got a big basket full of parts, trim, windows, all sorts of trim. So I'm hoping to make this anodized aluminium all the way around the windows. Nice paint job on there. Maybe that, is it called glacier white? The beautiful white paint job they do on it, don't they? Maybe with some snazzy stripes to keep my 12-year-old son happy, and get it on the road. And I want to do it all on a low budget. So watch these little movies and you're going to find out how we get on. Thanks for watching.